Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have something truly captivating in store for you. We will show you step by step how to create your very own AI talking avatar, bringing your digital creations to life. Creating an AI talking avatar might sound like something out of a sci-fi movie, but trust me, it's easier than you think. I will teach you step by step how you can make your personal AI avatar or model. I have divided this video into 4 easy to follow steps. Let's get started. The first step is to generate your avatar. Now I want you to be creative here and generate a model that is extremely unique. I will be using a tool called Midjourney for generating the AI avatar. Now for those of you who don't have a paid subscription on their platform, you can use a free alternative called Blue Willow. Blue Willow is pretty similar to Midjourney. You can see the results yourself here. I will leave both their links down in the description. Okay, forget about Midjourney. Let's do it with Blue Willow. For that, just go to your browser and type bluewillow.ai and click join the beta. After that, click on accept invite. It will redirect you to Discord server Blue Willow. If you don't want to subscribe, just click on no, I don't have the financial means to help, and click on finish. Here it is. Then you have to join any rookie server. Now you are ready for creating your own character for free. Let's try it together. For creating your character, you have to enter your prompt after /imagine. I have already generated my prompt. If you want a video about how to generate awesome prompt, let me know in comment section. Anyway, just enter the prompt and press enter and wait a while. And here it is. You can select your desired character. Our first step is completed. Let's go the second step. After AI avatar ready, it's time to generate a script for our AI avatar. Now for generating a script, I will be using ChatGPT. Just throw a random topic and ask ChatGPT to write a funny and engaging script. Now for the tutorial purpose, we'll just copy one line. Our script is ready. Let's dive into third step. Now we have the avatar in script. And now, we need a perfect voiceover for our avatar. I will use Murph AI for voice generator. I will leave the links down in the description. You can take subscription or use a free trial. Text as first time. You need to sign up with your email or Google account. After sign up, go to audio edit section and paste the script in block section. Then change the voice model as per your needs. After that, click on the play button to preview the voiceover.
Thank you, everyone. Oh, you're too kind. Please have a seat. Make yourselves comfortable. Welcome to the show.
After preview, click on export button and then hit the download button. Our third step is completed. Now let's dive into the fourth and final step. Now to bring our AI avatar to life, I'll be using a tool called HeyGen. Just heads over to appheygen.com. The link will be attached in the description as always. After login with Google account, just go to dashboard and select this avatar tab right here from the left side of the screen over here. Then just click on upload talking photo and just upload the photo of your AI avatar that you generated using Blue Willow. Once your image is uploaded, just head over here to the talking photo tab and you will see your character listed over here. Just click on this image and select create video. This will take you to their AI editor, where you will be able to play around with the different settings and bring your AI avatar to life. I want you to select the audio script tab right here and then upload the voiceover generated from Murph AI. Once everything is set, just click on the submit button on the top. It will take some time while you can do your other task. Here we go. Our final video is ready. Let's watch it together.
Thank you, everyone. Oh, you're too kind. Please have a seat. Make yourselves comfortable. Welcome to the show.
It's really awesome. Alright, folks, that brings us to the end of our journey today into the world of text to anime avatars. We've explored how you can turn simple text into a dynamic and expressive anime avatar, and I hope this guide has made the process easier for you. Remember, the most important thing is to have fun and let your creativity flow. Don't be afraid to experiment with different features, colors, and designs. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. It really supports the channel. And if you have any questions or need further clarification on anything we covered today, don't hesitate to drop the comment below. Don't forget, if you're not already a part of our community, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. so you never miss any of our upcoming tutorials and guides. Thank you so much for watching, and remember, stay creative and keep exploring. Until next time, this is AI Lockup, signing off.